Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making bacon wrapped asparagus. I've already I washed my asparagus and I broke it off because the bottom of it's tough and it usually breaks off, you know, where it's supposed to be, that little rib thing. I'm fixing to put a little bit of olive oil on it. Coat it. Okay. We're going to put a little pepper on it. Okay. We're going to take 3 asparagus, and we'll take a piece of bacon. I'm through wrapping the asparagus with the bacon, and I've got it all wrapped up. I've got it on a cookie sheet. The oven's at 400, and we're going to bake it for 22 to 28 minutes. I think I'm going to check mine at 25 until it's golden and crispy. So here we go. Don't that look nice, pretty? We've got the beautiful bacon wrapped asparagus out of the oven. It took about 28 minutes to my oven, and don't it look beautiful? Isn't that pretty? It smells delicious. I made a glaze, 2 tablespoons of honey and 1.5 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. I think I said that right. And we're going to drizzle it over the top. I put it in this little squirt thing so you could put it where you wanted it. It's better to put it, I didn't have a rack. I would cook it on a rack next time I do it, so the bacon grease will fall down to the bottom. That's a little tip. I think my family members are going to like this. I've never made asparagus wrapped in bacon. It's always just in the oven, just plain. Down in the comments, tell me if you eat asparagus. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's merchandise. Down in the description is the recipe and a link to a printable one. And so I hope you like this recipe. I hope you watch my videos. And as always, God bless.